I'm browned off of this island.
Oh, open another tin of grapefruit juice, eh? Hey, try some of this chili con carne. What about a nice bit of spam? That's good stuff. Have a candy bar, you mug.
Take that stuff away. I'd swap the lot for one bottle of New Zealand beer.
Whoa, you want to watch out, soldier. You'll end up like that joker over there. Hey, what's the matter with him anyway? He's shaking his arms and his legs in the air all the time. Is that some kind of Maori haka he's doing?
No fear, mate. He's a coconut bomber. He thinks all those mozzies that were biting us on guard last night are still chasing him.
Oh, actually, that's not so bad, you know. I suppose the mozzies are better than the Japs, eh?
I don't know much about that. Have you ever heard that song about the army in Fiji?
Oh, yeah, I know that one's a good tune.
Gather round me and I'll tell you all the story of the army in the days of 41. While their comrades overseas fought and killed their enemies, they just waited till the battles all were won. Oh, the army in Fiji, they were brave as brave could be, as they labored with their shovels all day long. And they didn't even know that the savage yellow foe was advancing on them many millions strong. So each day they polished up their weapon rifles, and they did their drill with great efficiency. Though they had no ammunition, they were chock full of ambition as they waited in their camps beside the sea. Oh, the army in Fiji was as brave can be, as they dug their weapon pits down by the sea. Though the water came and filled them just as fast as they could build them, 'twas a comfort to their major and O.C. Though their rifles were of 1914 pattern, and their lowest guns were used at Waterloo. Though their rounds were mostly misfires and their Air Force had no Spitfires, they were out to show the world what they could do. Oh, the army in Fiji was as brave could be, when at last the bugle blew the raid alarm. Oh, the Japs they heard were coming, ooh, that set the wires a-humming. With the army there the Japs could do no harm. Oh, the officers had to have a meeting. They decided things were bad as bad could be. So to New Zealand they sent a cable, send as fast as you're able ammunition for the army in Fiji. Oh, the army in Fiji were as brave could be, but alas, that brilliant army is no more. For the old New Zealand deadheads sent a ton of blinking leadheads, as they'd heard the army'd used them once before. Now that army, like my little song, is ended, but their names will always live in memory as a brilliant indication of the lack of preparation. That's a byword in New Zealand's infantry. That's a byword in New Zealand's infantry.